T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. And liftoff with Falcon 9. Go Starlink. Go SpaceX.
Vehicle is pitching downrange.
M1D chamber pressures are nominal.
And we have a good
Power
liftoff of the
telemetry's
Falcon
nominal.
9 rocket, soaring high above the Golden State. Now coming up on a minute into flight.
Falcon 9 is supersonic.
That call up, meaning the vehicle is now traveling faster than the speed of sound.
Max Q.
Falcon 9 now passing the point of greatest aerodynamic pressure on the vehicle. Coming up on those key events in rapid succession. Main engine cutoff coming up just over a minute from now. It'll be followed by stage separation, second stage engine start, SES-1, and then fairing deployment rounding out those events, finishing up at T plus 3 minutes and 9 seconds. Some gorgeous views of California as the Falcon 9 continues to climb, coming up on 2 minutes into flight. As we start to see the curvature of the Earth off to the left-hand side of the screen, appears to be a nominal burn on those 9 Merlin engines. About 20 seconds away from main engine cutoff.
MECO. Stage separation confirmed. MVAC startup.
All good callouts, all great views here from the onboard cameras. Fairing deployment is next.
Fairing separation confirmed.
And you see those Starlink satellites now exposed to the vacuum of space for the first time. On the left-hand side of your screen, the titanium winglets on the Falcon 9 first stage have also deployed those hypersonic grid fins. They help provide stability and steering as the first stage booster, tail number 1082, makes its way down toward the drone ship. Of course, they still love you. Falcon 9 first stage has reached its apogee as you see the altitude now beginning to drop slightly after hitting a peak of 115 kilometers. Coming up on the start of the entry burn in just a little over a minute. That starts at T plus 6 minutes and 10 seconds, wrapping up at about T plus 6 minutes
Nominal
and 31
trajectory.
seconds. Those bursts that you're seeing there are the cold gas thrusters helping to adjust the attitude of the vehicle. Coming up on the start of that first stage entry burn in just a few seconds.
Stage 1 entry burn startup. Stage 1 entry burn shutdown.
With the end of that entry burn, you can see the first stage telemetry and speedometer dropping rapidly as the booster continues to make its way down toward the drone ship. Of course, I still love you.
Stage 1
So-
FTS has safed.
Second stage Merlin vacuum engine
Nominal
continues
trajectory.
a nominal burn, as you just heard.
Stage 2 FTS is saved.
Stage 1 transonic.
With the call out that stage 1 is transonic, that just means it's traveling now below the speed of sound.
Stage 1 landing burn.
Second stage
See, the
interval
landing
guidance.
burn has begun. The drone ship now coming into sight.
Landing leg deploy. Stage 1 landing confirmed.
And there we have it. The first stage booster, tail number 1082, now up and back on its second flight.
Deco 1.
And the Merlin vacuum engine has cut off, now entering into a parking orbit.